Deep in the Amazon rainforest, the achiote tree grows wild, holding a vibrant secret. Workers hand-pick the spiny pods at the peak of maturity to ensure the deepest color. A single slice reveals the bright red seeds that have been used as paint for centuries. The raw pigment is so potent that it instantly stains human skin with a waterproof dye. Tons of harvested pods arrive at the processing facility daily to begin the transformation. Before machinery takes over, workers manually remove leaves and debris from the line. Industrial washers blast away jungle dust without damaging the delicate seeds inside. The wet pods are fed into a mechanical thresher designed to crack the hard shells. Steel rollers gently fracture the husks, separating the shell from the valuable seed. The empty waste shells are ejected and recycled as organic fertilizer for the next crop. Thousands of loose, ruby red seeds cascade into collection bins, ready for processing. This mound of raw material holds the potential for thousands of units of luxury lipstick. The hard seeds are poured into high-speed industrial grinders to break down their structure. Blades spinning at thousands of RPM pulverize the organic matter into a fine dust. The result is a rust-colored flour that creates a massive surface area for extraction. The powder is moved to the extraction floor, where heated vats await. We mix the powder with clear carrier oils to begin dissolving the natural dye. As the paddles turn, the pale oil begins to absorb the deep red color from the plant. Heated to 80 degrees Celsius, the plant cells collapse and release their full payload. Industrial pumps draw the thick, dark sludge toward the filtration system. Fine mesh screens trap the solid grit and plant fibers, letting only the oil pass. A single drop of clarified oil proves the successful extraction of the pure pigment. This crystal-clear, jewel-toned fluid is the concentrated soul of the cosmetic. To give the lipstick structure, blocks of beeswax and carnauba wax are prepared. Controlled heat melts the solid blocks into a translucent golden liquid base. The vibrant achiote oil is poured into the wax, creating a hypnotic swirl of color. High-shear mixers whip the ingredients into a uniform, creamy emulsion. In the lab, quality control technicians analyze the batch for perfect consistency. A sample is tested to ensure the viscosity is neither too thick nor too thin. The drawdown test on white paper reveals the true depth of the red shade. Trace amounts of iron oxide are added to deepen the color for the luxury market. A final stir ensures the formula is glossy, stable, and ready for molding. Polished to a mirror finish, metal molds determine the final shape of the bullet. Precision nozzles inject the hot liquid into the cavities without spilling a drop. Surface tension creates a perfect dome at the top of each lipstick bullet. As the molds cool, the liquid wax crystallizes into a solid velvet-textured stick. The mold splits open, revealing rows of flawless, matte red bullets. Standing robotic grippers gently lift the fragile lipsticks without leaving a single mark. The bullet is pressed firmly into the mechanism of the gold and black tube. A mechanical twist retracts the lipstick safely inside its protective casing. Hundreds of assembled units move down the line in perfect rhythmic formation. They head toward the most critical aesthetic step in the entire process. A quick pass through a gas flame melts the outer layer to create a glossy finish. The surface is now glass smooth, sealed, and free of any imperfections. Gloved hands place the finished tube into its luxurious, velvet-lined packaging. Every unit is inspected for weight and mechanical smoothness before shipping. Uncapped, the vibrant color is a direct link back to the Amazon jungle. From a wild, spiky fruit comes a sleek, engineered piece of modern luxury. Trays of the finished product are now ready for global distribution. This is the hidden process behind the world's most enduring cosmetic. Subscribe to the Mega Mill for the latest updates on the world's most fascinating processes.